Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be taking you through the process on how I made this card. So I'm up on the La La Land Crafts blog today with this tutorial. So to start with, I've gone ahead and die cut a square using the double stitched squares die. Next, I'm going ahead, I have a piece of A4 card, so I'm just going ahead and cutting 1-inch strips, and I'm going ahead and I'm cutting 3 of these strips, and you will need this to make the card today. And then I'm going ahead and I'm then taking off 2 inches from the end of these strips. So I have all the measurements on screen, and now for the first piece I'm going ahead and I'm going to go and score these the measurements that are on screen, and they will also be listed down below and on the La La Land Crafts blog. So this is the outer piece, this is the piece that's going to hold the inside together, and it's going to be attached to the square. And then the 2 pieces that are going inside the card, I'm going to trim these at 5/7/8, and then I'm also going to score these with the measurements on screen. And now I'm just going ahead and scoring my 3rd piece. So we have the piece that's going around the outside of the box, and then the 2 pieces in the middle. And then I'm also going to be using the Smarty Plants clear stamp set, and I've also got the grass border die, so I've gone ahead and I've die cut this grass 3 times, and then what I will do, I will attach these to the middle pieces of the box, and then there'll also be a piece at the front of the box as well. So I've just gone ahead, and where their score marks are, I'm just using my scissors to trim these down. And now I'm adding some colour, so I'm using Cracked Pistachio Distress Oxide ink. And then I'm also going to be ink blending my square and then the panel round the front. I'm not doing the middle pieces because you can't see them anyway, but feel free to do them if you want to. So I'm using a pink and a yellow Distress Oxide ink for my colours today. And then I'm using a blender brush to apply this to the card. So to start with, I've gone in with the yellow, and then I'm adding the yellow to my square panel along with the pink, and then I also add a bit of the pink along the panel at the front, just so that it blends nicely and matches the square piece. And then I've gone ahead and using the same stamp set, I've stamped my sentiment, and I'm using the horizontal pocket die to die cut this out with, and then using that blender brush that I used to apply the ink to my card, I've just gone ahead and added some colour there. Now I'm starting to put the box together, so I'm using PVA glue, and you need to put this right up against the edge and pinch quite hard, and this will make sure that your box is secure. So now I'm adding them pieces of grass to the 2 middle panels that are also going to be going inside the box, again using PVA glue. So I find with the box cards you can put them together by moving the strip out and then applying the inside pieces. I personally find it easier to just secure that outer piece first and then add the middle pieces inside. So I'm doing my first piece, which has gone in the box lovely. My second piece, I went ahead and I trimmed just a tiny little bit off the edges, just to make it fit a bit more snugly inside the box. So I have popped up the measurements on screen, so you can see here how much I actually trimmed off, and then I've also done this so that it will fold sideways, so it will also fit into an envelope. And now I'm going ahead and working on my images. So I have some Copic friendly cardstock. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and then I've also got my COPICS, which are on the screen now, and they will also be listed down below. Once my colouring's done, I'm going ahead and I have the side daisy die and the garden fence die. So the side daisy die is one of my favourite dies. It's so pretty. So I'm going ahead and I'm just adding some ink to colour these up, and then I'm popping these together using PVA glue. And I think there's two that I die cut and coloured up for my card, and then I've gone ahead and just die cut one of the fence dies, and then I've also used the open daisy die, which again is so pretty. So next I have my card ready to be decorated, so I'm going ahead and I'm adding all my pieces together. And here we have the finished card. So I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know if you did, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.